If you are not a gold director this year, just do the fundamentals. I believe you're going to be a gold director or even higher, ruby director next year. Just do it consistently throughout the year and you will actually reap the awards and harvest everything that you have dreamed of.
Most of our lives is already here in Singapore. And we thought we are having fun. We thought we are living a comfortable life. We were able to build our careers. We are both architects. Me and my husband are both architects here. We are able to reach a part of our employment where we are comfortable. And when we were here, a lot of people were telling us that you cannot retire here in Singapore. It's very, very difficult to retire here in Singapore unless you want to work all your life. Is that true? Yes. Because it's expensive. But when we saw USANA, this is the reason why we said we can actually retire here in Singapore.
Every Extreme 111 leaders make it happen. They don't just look and wonder why is it happening or what was happening. So relook your prospect list and check who is my world-class leader, right? So according to Darren Hardy, doubt and fear steal more dreams than failure. Who here has failure? Everybody has failure. Even if we are rookie directors, even the diamond directors in the house will have rejection.
Yes.
So if you are hitting your PPS right now and you are not motivated because you have rejections, imagine a diamond director, how many rejections do they have? Right? So thank you very much. I hope you have learned a lot. Have a good night.